What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So there's still people out there that believe that XRP will just be worth nothing. XRP is a bigger fighter than you think, right? The community, large fighter, you understand what the community is, you understand what the position is. Some people don't know, some people don't want to know. And this is the difference between people that end up making money within a position and people that end up either missing out or losing money within a position, right? They think, oh, you know what, this is going to get to whatever price I truly believe it's going to get to, which is going to be a very low amount. It's not even going to get past $1, and when it does get to a level of 90 cents, I'm going to sell again, right? I understand where you're coming from. The same was said for Bitcoin. Same was said for Ethereum. Same was said for Tesla and Amazon and all of these other companies that people could invest into and ended up either getting shorted or just not believing in the future of the like tech industry or crypto areas, right? I'm kind of combining everything together, but they didn't really believe in those things. So when I look at XRP for myself, I look at it differently than how everybody else looks at it, right? Maybe some people look at it the same way, but I see the comments and I like to respond to the comments because maybe it'll change someone's mindset to look into it a little bit further. Because it's like when someone doesn't like broccoli. You absolutely despise broccoli throughout your whole entire childhood, throughout your young adult life and into your like adult life. Then someone puts broccoli on your plate and you feel obligated to eat it and you try that broccoli and you're like, this is absolutely amazing. I never liked broccoli. And your mind wanted you to tell yourself and you continue to tell yourself, you don't like broccoli. You hate broccoli. You don't want to eat it. You're not going to like it. But then when you tasted it, your taste buds said differently, right? And it goes to show that you were just looking at broccoli the wrong way. People that were making it the wrong way. And maybe it didn't have any seasoning. Maybe it didn't have any butter or garlic or something like that, right? When it comes to XRP, it's the same thing. You have it ingrained in your system that the SEC is attacking XRP for some reason. People don't like XRP for some reason, and you listen to those people. Those people will tell you, whether they believe it's true or not, they'll tell you something that they just want to say because maybe it gets clicks or something like that. And those people will continue to say that, and it will stick to your brain. Oh, you know what? XRP is not a great play. XRP is horrible. And that's what you're going to feel. And I understand where you're coming from. I understand 100%. I can't say that I don't like a single position that's in the crypto market, the stock market, any investment. I can say I would not invest into it and give you the reasons why I wouldn't invest into it. And if I miss that opportunity, I miss that opportunity. The same goes for you, right? If you miss the opportunity, you miss the opportunity. But I know for a fact that XRP will be worth a trillion, 2 trillion, multiple trillions of dollars worth of a market cap in the near future. And a lot of people that didn't believe in XRP, all they're gonna say is good for you. I'm glad that you were able to see the level of an increase. You were able to see XRP hit these levels, right? But it's much more than that, right? I'm trying to explain exactly why I believe all of the different things that I've mentioned, and it just gets shut down. So let's talk about something more on the positive side. Why I believe that I'm going to make at least $1 million from XRP. At least $1 million from XRP. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And if you want to trade XRP at up to a 50x leverage, I have a Margex platform that you guys can trade XRP on if you want to. You can trade 5x leverage if you want to as well, but it's a way of gathering more XRP without risking a crazy amount of money, right? Because if you put $1,000 in there, that whole $1,000 is at risk if it does find a way to go down to zero. However, if you leverage something else and you believe that it's going to make a huge move, you invest $100, that $100 at a 10x leverage could honestly make you just as much with only risking that $100 and setting yourself at a simple stop loss of what you would have had if you invested the $1,000, right? maybe your $1,000, you got a stop loss of 10%, which would be $100. So feel free to check out that. If you guys have any more questions, reach out to me on Patreon. I have a whole collection on Patreon regarding Margex and leverage trading and all of that. But if we look at the crypto market, the market is slightly down for the day, but more focused on XRP. We can see that we're sitting at a $29 billion market cap, almost $30 billion market cap with $1.4 billion worth of volume. It's really been hovering around these areas for quite some time. And I know some people look at that and they go, it's just not moving. And the fact that it's not moving is sad, is the reason why I won't get into it. Understand that you have to see bad times. And a lot of times when you see these bad times, they end up absolutely breaking out to a whole nother level once you do see those bad times go away, especially with the fact that XRP has been kind of in this area for like 4 years because of the SEC versus Ripple. Somebody also mentioned to me about XRP having legal clarity in the comment section and said that legal clarity doesn't mean that it's law. Yes, it does. You have to understand that the legal clarity that XRP has is that it is officially labeled as not a security. By law, labeled as not a security. No other cryptocurrency is labeled as that. So XRP is not going anywhere. No matter what happens with Ripple, XRP is not going anywhere. It will be utilized in the best way possible. It's just whatever happens with the escrow happens with the escrow. So to say that it's not legal clarity or it doesn't have legal clarity and it's not law, you're wrong. It does have legal clarity. The only thing is that you can have an appeal to kind of fight that again, but it is the only one that truly has legal clarity. It is a cryptocurrency that has fast transaction times, right? That has low cost, that is efficient, that is, I think I already said cheap, but you have so many different things that secure, right? That's the word I was looking for. But you have so many things that are going for this that really speak to the normal crypto investor that's like, I can utilize this for a transaction. If something can speak to you directly by saying, I can utilize this or I can use this for transaction purposes, then it's a good thing. It's a done deal, right? That's what everybody wants, is to be able to utilize it as a form of currency. Now, when we go over to my my exit plan spreadsheet, this exit plan spreadsheet is simple. I have 80,000 XRP, which is around $40,000 or so, $42,000 or so. I'm pretty much only going to take at certain levels, right? I have 400,000 once I hit a 10x on that, and I will take out 10,000, which will be 50,000 coins or $50,000. That's more than what I invested. It's not a crazy amount more than what I invested, but it's more than what I invested. Now we can have the waiting game to get to a level of $10 or $20. These levels, I know for sure that it's going to hit those levels. $10, $20, a $1 trillion, $2 trillion dollar market cap. Even up to a $5 trillion market cap, in my opinion, of where we're going to go, right? This is kind of that level that I look to as kind of not the peak level, but the peak level for like kind of reality for a lot of people. $5 trillion market cap is what I see in something that truly has transaction-based currency vibes to them and being able to be utilized throughout the world, throughout banks, simple transactions. Imports, exports, cross-border transactions, and all of those things, right? So I believe $1 to $2 trillion, it will be worth that. As we see $1 trillion, if we find a way to only, and somehow, some way, only find a way to get to $20 worth of a value, and it finds a way to decrease from there, I will still have a guaranteed $1 million that's sitting in there. As it only gets to a level of $20 or $10 or $15, I have a guaranteed $1 million that is sitting there. I believe that this is the case. I believe that we'll get there. But again, this is all based on my opinion. This is all based on the things that I've seen, the things that I've researched, the things that I've brought across my desk, and people that have brought my way as well, confirming these things. I truly believe XRP will be worth so much more. Again, this is all my opinion. It's all speculation. You can think whatever you want to think, but this is where I stand with it. I have 80,000, and if I decided to sell majority of it, know that I'll keep at least at least 1,000, maybe even up to 10,000 forever, like I said yesterday. But even if I still have over $1 million worth of XRP, I will become an XRP millionaire. I will. And I can't wait until that happens. Not just to prove people wrong, because I feel like no matter what, I won't get the satisfaction that I want out of that. Because people come every day and say, XRP is going nowhere, XRP is going nowhere, until it actually goes somewhere and then they're nowhere to be found, right? Because you don't get the satisfaction. It's great. It's fantastic to see those levels of gains, but you don't get the satisfaction. I got that with so many different plays where it did run. Jasmine Coin wasn't going to reach a crazy level, and all of a sudden it grew by 400%. And now those people are either saying, oh, well, it's not going to grow anymore, or they're non-existent. They're nowhere to be found because they now understand what Jasmine Coin can be. And maybe they're investing late and they're FOMOing into it. But whatever. Guys, let me know what you think about this. Are you going to become an XRP millionaire? Do you believe it's going to be worth way more than a level of $20, $50, $100? What's your opinion behind it and what's your reasoning behind it? And if you do feel the opposite way, what's your reasoning behind that? But guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.